Welcome to Living Hope Mixed Farm and welcome back. We are doing land preparation for planting Irish potatoes. Here we are cutting the soil and we are loosening the soil so that the Irish potato roots are able to penetrate through the soil and produce the bulbs that we want. So you see we are doing land cutting. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any other video following this. We are going to do a step-by-step guide practically and see how we are going to start from land preparation, planting, weeding, any other processes including harvesting and the storage and marketing. So we are here. You can see how we have cut our land. This is purely a bushy land. Next there we have our sugar napier. Sugar napier is there. That is for our goats, for our cattle. So this is Living Hope Mixed Farm. As we said, we do crop farming, we do animal farming. We have goats. We see that is the shade for goats, and there are cows the other side. We have for chicken, we have for ducks. This is our mixed farm, so stick with us. We shall be also doing cowpeas farming. The next videos will come on cowpeas, will come on peanuts or groundnuts farming, will come on cassava planting, peanuts farming, cow planting, and then cowpeas farming, and many others. So stick with us, including soybeans. So this is what we are doing. We are doing land preparation. I will keep in touch with you and show you what is happening at the farm. Please subscribe, give your comments, and be able to grow together with us. Thank you so much.